Welcome back, my name is Carrie, and today I'm going to show you 3 affordable prefab homes that you're going to want to pay attention to this year. Affordable options are the #1 most requested topic on the channel, so I think a few people were surprised that more didn't end up on my top 10 list. Well, it's because I knew this video was on the way and I didn't want to have a bunch of overlap leading to me getting peppered in the comments. So here we are. Recently, there's been a flurry of activity in the affordable segment, which might even lead to above average activity on the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Let's get after it. To start things off, we need to talk about the most talked about company in the industry. That's right, I'm starting with Boxable. They're a Las Vegas-based company that introduced their first product, the Boxable Casita, in what will be a full building system. The Boxable Casita has a total area of 361 square feet, and people have been foaming at the mouth to get their mitts on these things, which has led to a waitlist north of 100,000 people. This waitlist has been in existence since I started paying attention to what they're up to back in 2021, so at this point there are people who have been on it for 2, possibly 3 years. They now have 3 factories in Las Vegas. They're building homes, and people have been wondering when casitas would start shipping to customers on that list. From what I can tell, the holdup comes down to state modular approval. If you look at their FAQ section under what codes do they comply with, it's noted that Boxable buildings conform to and exceed the requirements of most any building code. Boxable will come with state modular approval. There it is. It goes on to say that we don't have modular approval just yet, but it should be ready soon. Then it says additionally, the casita product is certified as a park model RV in accordance with ANSI 119.5 in all 50 states. Boxable will come with state modular approval, so until they get state modular approval, waitlisters wait. It's not a big secret, this is what they've been waiting for. It's all right there on their website. I was in Las Vegas at the beginning of 2023 and asked one of their founders when they would start delivering to the waitlist, knowing they would need modular approval for most of their waitlist. Here's what he had to say.
Fourth quarter of this year, not too far away. Currently we have 1.0, 2.0 generation, really significantly improved with quartz countertops. I mean, they're beautiful. Yeah. Should be rolling off the line. Fourth quarter we'll be making, select deliveries.
I liked that because it wasn't vague. I was given a real timeline. I put it on YouTube, and then all we had to do was wait to see if it actually happened. Fast forward to 2024, if you go look at their Instagram account, you'll see that on December 19th, 2023, they got modular approval for Arizona, meaning they weren't blowing smoke when I talked to them back in February. It was the fourth quarter that they received it. One state, but still something. I sent a message to one of the other founders, Galliano, to see what the next steps were to get things moving in Arizona, and he said they were working on an installer directory so people can find contractors to do their installs, and then they're going to start scheduling deliveries to the waitlist. I get a lot of requests for updates on Boxable, and it's been a minute because I've been waiting for them to get this approval. Obviously, they've got a lot going on, but to me, this has to be one of, if not the most significant update they provided since I've started following what they're doing. It's a big one. Bigger than new models, new factories, you name it, because as far as I can tell, it was the only thing standing in the way of getting the homes to the waitlist. They still have to work on the other states, but definitely good news for anyone that's waiting in Arizona. The Boxable Casita currently has a base price of $60,000. Another option I'm excited about in the affordable housing category goes by the name of Myaspace out of Texas. I first heard about Myaspace early in 2023 when they were just an idea, and between then and now, they've made a lot of headway. In 2023, they finalized their initial plans, found a place to build them, had a grand opening, and started delivering units to customers. From the very first day I heard about their plans and prices, I knew people would be excited about what they got going on, and they've already added new products that'll make for an even more affordable option. Like all the companies in today's video, they have a variety of different offerings from accessory spaces to full-on dwellings, so before I get into what's new, probably a good idea to brush up on what they're offering. Their dwelling line starts with the Shea Studio 300. Dimensions of 12 by 24 make this a 288 square foot studio that comes complete with a kitchenette, bathroom, and combined living room bedroom space starting at $49,951. The Shea Studio 300 is described as affordable open floor plan living. It says this cost-effective plan allows you to arrange the space to suit your needs. The way the plan is set up, they've got a sliding glass door on the front into the kitchen and another on the side into the living room. The living area, bedroom are on one end of the unit, kitchen's in the middle, and bathroom on the other end. From there, they jump to the Shea Studio 400, a 384 square foot unit that's 8 feet longer with dimensions of 12 by 32. The extra 8 feet adds enough to the length that there's room to have a bed beside the living room, which means no switchy between bedroom, living room, and back again. You get the space for the living room, you get the space for the bedroom, and everything else stays pretty much the same. To make the jump from the Shea Studio 300 to the Shea Studio 400, we'll add $9,999. It has a price tag of $59,950. I can't be the only one wondering why the 300 ends in 951 and the 400 ends in 950. Maybe it's no reason at all. Let's get down to brass tacks. Are these the most exotic designs on the market? No, but they aren't supposed to be. I think this is a builder that recognized how many people are in the market for an affordable option and designed something to fit the bill. Simple as that. It says right on their website, our designs are fairly simple. We are very purposeful with the design as it all comes down to the efficiency of the overall build. Even our dimensions are what they are to maximize the use of readily available dimensional building products, meaning less cuts, less waste, and a quicker build. If you've been following the channel, none of this is new info. However, they have added a new option with a shocking price tag for those looking to build in a bit of sweat equity. I don't know exactly when it happened, but they've added what's listed as a contractor/DIY dried-in unit to their website. The idea here is they take the unit part of the way and then it's finished by whoever buys it. This isn't going to be the best option for me because I'm terrible with tools, but I can zoom in a video for effect with the best of them. Stupid. The DIY units include a fully dried in and lockable structure, zip system sheathing, Advantax subfloor standing seam metal roof, and a locking door. The structures are 12 feet wide and range from 24 to 36 feet long and have a price starting at $12,500. The final company that I want to talk about today that I think is going to make a splash this year is LiveBFF out of Las Cruces, New Mexico. They're the newest out of the 3 companies in this vid, but that doesn't mean I'm sleeping on their potential. I made a trip over to see them back in December, and one of the things that I found fascinating about what they're doing is the vision for the company. Spoiler alert, it's huge. One of the things their founder mentioned multiple times when I was there was their goal to ensure that every person on earth who desires a home can have one. I've talked about LiveBFF in a couple different videos now, but not every part of their business model. For those who missed it, they're building steel frame prefab homes with a model line ranging in size from 256 square feet to 640 square feet. However, they also have the ability to customize. They've got a showroom with 4 models up and running on a property 15 to 20 minutes out of Las Cruces for people to check out, and I'm eager to see the 640 square foot haven when they get it finished. When I was there, it was pretty much just a shell of a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, so if anyone goes and it's done, send pics. I want to see it. What I haven't talked about and what I think will set them apart from some of the other options available is their ability to set up a pop-up factory and build out an entire community. A larger version of what they already did in Las Cruces. Remember, they aren't shipping finished homes. They're shipping panels and setting them up on site. They're still prefabricated, but definitely more of a hybrid approach between on-site and off-site that I think will attract people to build out an entire subdivision quickly. Their first builds were the ones that I went to see, and they did those in like 60 days. So imagine when they get a few under their belt and streamline the process. Look out. Their dwelling units start at $86,400, and I think they're going to make some big moves in 2024. It's going to be a big, important year in the affordable prefab space with new companies coming in and existing companies getting homes to their customers. I've been following this industry close for a while now, and it seems to be picking up steam, so buckle in, folks. It's going to get interesting. That's all I've got for today. If you like manufactured home videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel because I've got new ones coming out every single week. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.